Hello everyone! I want to give an update on a way to get an animated mouth on your Mac using voice recognition in Moho or Anime Studio. Sorry, but I still don't have a Windows machine. This is an update from my prior video. That process was a bit more complicated. This method uses a Lua plugin, which is why this video is so much shorter. I'm still pretty much a beginner with Moho, but I love to learn by doing. This process still relies on PocketSphinx for voice recognition and ffMpeg to prepare your audio files for PocketSphinx. I recommend using Brew to install these. Links to Brew, PocketSphinx, and ffMpeg are in the description. I'm using Moho Pro 12. My characters use the standard switch layers for mouths with the standard Moho mouth shapes. I'm recreating an older animation from a few years ago that was done in a different product. That was the introduction of my kitchen gang who helped me cook my recipes. I'm starting with a blank Moho project titled Hello World. First, import the audio files created for this project. I name the files with the order it is spoken and then character name to make importing easy, but this is not required. Next, zoom all the way out. Then go to the sequencer and move the audio clips to approximately where they belong. Now, import the characters. To associate who says what, drag the clips into the proper character. The clips can be at any level as long as the character is at the top and the clip is inside. Now, run the MouthSync plugin. The time estimate is not accurate yet, something I will correct someday. If you don't have PocketSphinx or ffMpeg, it will tell you. The plugin tells you which layers contain mouth switches and audio files. Also, clear timeline means remove all mouth animations for the identified mouth layers. The don't clear option is in case there are custom mouth switches unrelated to the audio file. The process is really speedy. Click OK and the mouth layers will be animated.
Hey everyone, my name is Trouble.
No kidding, you are always throwing things up.
My uptight buddy here is Neatnet.
It is a pleasure to meet you.
Yo, dudes.
Hey Spat!
Anyone care?
No flapjacks.
Okay.
If you change the location of an audio file on the timeline, just rerun the plugin. It will clear the current animation and recreate. This is why you can guess position at import, then adjust later, or create your animation and add or remove audio as you want. The Lua plugin is available in the description below for download, or view it on theprojecttoday.com. As time goes on, I will keep improving it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button and please subscribe to be notified when new videos are released.